So how can you download songs from Spotify? Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how, so let's jump right into it. First, we need to open your Spotify app and tap on the search icon in the bottom of the screen right here. So basically, we need to search for the songs that you want to download. Now search for the song, of course, and next to the song you find these three dots. Tap on them, a menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen once you tap there, and then tap on Add to Playlist. Name your playlist. I'm going to name it Downloaded Songs just for this video, but you can name it whatever you want. Once you're done, tap on Create. To find your playlist, tap right here in the bottom on your library and you'll find your playlist here. Now all you need to do is to go back here to search and add all the songs that you want to download to that playlist, just like you have done for the first song. Once you're done adding songs, you can go back to your library to find that playlist. Now this time we need to open the playlist, so tap on it, and to download the songs you need to tap on these three dots right here. A menu will pop up from the bottom. You can tap on download right here, or you can just tap on the download icon right there and the download will start. Of course, you need a premium subscription for this option. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.